All right, everybody, it's me, Russ. Different kind of video today. We've got rat droppings, mouse droppings in the studio. I was watching a channel called Mousetrap Monday. Since it's Monday, and because we have chickens, we also have this outside of our window. That's our bedroom window, and then we got a bird feeder. My wife likes to feed the birds, and that also attracts mice and rats. We naturally have a mouse and rat problem. So, engineered this. Bart got me a plastic garbage can for like $9, and it's called the Walk the Plank mousetrap. Have you ever seen that? This is sort of my version of that. It's got a counterbalance here. I put a little magnet. This is from our old fly screen that we put over the door to keep the flies out. So it gives it a little counterbalance. And the rat, we bait it here. I might put some peanut oil on here to make it extra slick. And yeah, the mice go out here like this, and boom. And ideally it will reset itself. So I have a little cage here for the bait, and as the mice come back out, you know, you get enough mice on there and it dunks them in here. Now this could be a live trap, or I could fill it with water. If I get rats, they could probably jump right out of here. So I think I might just keep it. I might just put water in it and kill them, drown them, sorry. A kind of rat in our neighborhood, it's an invasive species of rat. It's a Norwegian burrowing rat, and they're not supposed to be here in the Northwest. They came in on ships or something like 20 years ago. I don't know. But they are smart. They dig, and they're not very good environmentally too. And listen, I really do hate to kill rats. I used to have rats as pets when I was a kid, living in apartments in Seattle with my mom after my parents got divorced. It was the only pet I could have. So, but again, the Norwegian rats, they burrow. They're like rabbits, and they tend to go after birds that nest in wetlands. They climb trees. These rats are incredibly smart, and yeah, they're not good for the ecosystem, so they gotta go, unfortunately. Not to mention our own bird population. they're not good for these birds either. And they drowned is how that works. But first they walk the plank like the pirates would make them do. And as curious as I am to see this work, I'm going to bait it first. Keep it from being too wobbly. I set my counterbalance right here. And here we are. I've set this up so they can cross onto here. We've got our weight, so gives them a false sense of security. The idea is to get them comfortable with the good ship trash can here, and then when they start coming in and out and feeding for a day or two, they're gonna walk the plank. Put some water in the bottom there, and we're gonna leave this, let them feed for a few days. I've rolled out the welcome mat there a little bit, and ready to invite them to supper. There we go. Stay tuned. We are with Vicky the van, and we got food for the eagles. Live trap. You gotta kind of get it away, ways away from the vehicle. You see? Here he goes. You ready, buddy? There he is. And there he goes. Go. You're free. eagle food. Hopefully.